What is up, peeps? Today I'm gonna do a little talk through video trying to recreate a look of Tailormadejane, and you guys can take a look at her. She is literally a beast of all beasts, and she has a YouTube channel. Yeah, so you definitely can check her out, and I will put a picture also of the look that I'm recreating right here so you guys can see that, and hopefully it comes out pretty similar. I have all the colors, so let's see. I'm gonna use this as like a transition shade. It's Red Hot Times 9 eyeshadow from MAC, and I'm about to use the third row middle color. I'm gonna take a little bit of Love Letter from the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette. So that will be this one right here. Let's see, so I'm gonna go back to the Morphe palette, and let me do, I'm gonna do this purple first, right here. So the purple that I'm going to use now is going to be the purple that was right next to that one. So I'm gonna use this one right here. And I'm going to start with putting the black on the outside and using the Nudes Maybelline New York palette. So I'm using this black right here, I'm taking this color right here. It's the first column in the middle. Now I'm gonna start putting my pink, so I'm just gonna go back into those pinks from the MAC palette, and I'm gonna put the darker one kind of towards the outer eye and the lighter one towards the inner. So then I'm gonna use this little smaller brush to kind of edge it in a little bit. So I'm putting this underneath where the light cut crease part is, that purple part. And that's what I did that on purpose because I have a hooded eye. So I wanted you to still be able to see the cut crease and the glitter. So I put the cut crease way higher than it needed to be. Okay, now I'm gonna put lash glue on that line, and I'm using the Duo brush on adhesive with vitamins. So that's the one I'm using. I'm gonna take some setting spray and spray that on a detail brush. And then I'm gonna dip that into my glitter. I'm gonna have to tell you what glitter I'm using after I'm done. Yes, honey, yes, yes, we are glittering, we are flexing on all levels with the glitter. Yes, oh, yes, honey boo, you don't even know what's up. Hey, 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 hey. So I am about to finish my face. I'm not going to be talking through this part. I'm pretty much done. I got my highlight on. I wish I had some big hoop earrings, but I done lost all my hoop earrings going to parties. I think I do have some. But yeah, so the eye look is done. The only thing I think I need to do is put on something for my lips, and I think that's all. So yeah, my eye look is done. Isn't it so cute? Yeah. If you like this look, please thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, and you know, tag Tailormadejane. Let her know that your girl redid one of her looks and it's quite popping, if I do say so myself. But let me know if y'all think it's popping or whatnot. Let me zoom out a little bit. I'll come back with like some finishing, you know, with the lip and everything, but y'all don't need to see that, honestly. Yeah, so I think it is so cute. Okay, if you guys have watched this full video, thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, peeps.